Bravo. Corre, 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 corre. Te amo. So hello guys, welcome back again for another video. It's the same video but different video. So we're gonna do an installation of two cash cans, driver side and passenger side. So for that we're gonna drill something. It's nothing crazy, but because this car don't come with that little hole. Corre, corre. So what we're gonna do, I'll show you real quick. So this is the driver side cash can. This is for J&L oil separator cash can. This one's gonna be here. So we're gonna remove this connector over here to the engine and the other one connected to the intake. And for that we have to mount it in here. So we're gonna remove this, remove that. I'll remove this real quick. See, it's like a rubber going on. So that we can put this right here and assemble the cash can here. It's gonna be here connected to the other part of the intake. But for that we have to drill some holes for to connect it over here. It's gonna be like this. Cash can will be here. Let's do that real quick. Don't be afraid to do it. So let's go to do this stuff right here. Okay, let's put this hose in the middle. So it will be in that direction. So it will be like this. So we already drilled the hole already, but we drilled for this one too small. So now we're gonna get the other one, the bigger one. I was using, I forgot what. Oh, it's right here. So just be careful with your eyes. Lucas is inside the house right now. So that's the installation, guys. We drilled this little hole over here. And it's not a big deal. Just be careful. I'm gonna tie this now because I was playing with this. Connect one end in this spot right here, the other one is connected here on the intake. I already did it. So put it like that. Put this one here. Dime, Papa. So we can leave it like that for now because we're gonna put the strut bar over here.
And it's gonna prevent to move.
It's gonna prevent to move too. So we're gonna tie this down. That's the installation for the driver's side cash can. And later that's the passenger drive side cash can. This one is gonna be so easy. So it's pretty much remove this connection right here. So see, remove it. This one have the same kind of design, and there's no need to do anything else. Just put it right here. So let's go connect it. This one here too. This one. There you go. Click, and you're good to go. That's the installation for the two cash can, passenger side and driver side. And that's the brand for the cash can. You want to check it out, J&L. And I got that from American Muscle. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye. Lucas is already tired.
This is sleeping. Let's
yes.
go take a bath.